Bastion Inlet. Good surfing spot. One surfer out there today. There was more people. Pretty rough here today. Pretty rough through there. That'd be a fun time getting out there at that inlet in a boat. Back. Nice bay. About 75, 77 degrees. And that's the end.